to transfer Toncoin to Tonkeeper wallet. So here you have to enter your passcode to log into your Tonkeeper wallet. So transferring Toncoin to your Tonkeeper keeps your crypto secure and easy to manage. Now, for an example, you are going to transfer it from your wallet to the send button here, and you can just go ahead and click. This is the one right here, and then you are going to do is you have to enter their address or name, or just you can go ahead and click on this one. Go for the while using this app here in order to scan their QR code. So now, for example, you are going to transfer from Android device to this device, or you are your so to this device of yours. Then you have to go for the receive option here, and you can copy your address here, or you can save your address to your friend with the help of your Instagram, WhatsApp, or Messenger, or other social link, or you can scan this. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily transfer your Toncoin to your Tonkeeper wallet here. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.